Hi there, good morning. Thank you for attending today and choosing to spend the next hour with myself and Chris from Autodesk. Today we'll be looking at what's new in PowerMill 2022. So I'm Michael O'Donnell, I'm an account manager at Symmetry. Since 2020 when we got the CAM specialization, I've also become the CAM manager. We also have Chris Northall today on the call from Autodesk. He's one of the PowerMill technical advisors. He's going to be helping us out with the demonstration and running through the technical side of PowerMill.
I'm Chris Northall. I'm a technical sales specialist with Autodesk. Okay, so as with previous releases, eligible customers with active subscription or maintenance plans will be able to get access to the latest release through your Autodesk account. We can go into a little more bit detail about that later on. I believe I have a slide on that. So continuing the theme of previous releases, this release of PowerMill includes a mixture of fixes and improvements that improve performance in terms of speed, quality and reliability. So we've included a number of impactful improvements. I'm not going to go into everything that's in the release notes because we will be here for some quite significant time. There's a lot of stuff that actually goes on what we call under the bonnet, fixes and code improvements and all that kind of stuff. So I've picked 6 main features to highlight. So we can finish with excluding flats, flat machining, constant Z with undercuts, staggered start points, projection ranges, and collision avoidance to pick out the 6 main features that's in this release. I'm just going to very quickly run through each one in turn, and then we'll just dive into the product and I'll show you where you can find these. So finishing toolpaths can now exclude planar faces during calculation. So steep and shallow, raster, 3D offset, and we can eliminate those flat faces. So traditionally we'd take those flat areas, we'd select them and we'd put them into a what we would call a thickness set or a group, and we'd tell the software to do a collision avoidance against them. And that's worked well up until now. When you're faced with parts with hundreds, if not thousands of flats on them, that can be incredibly tedious. There are ways of writing macros and automation to find them for you, but we really want to simplify these kind of things now. So the impact is a lot quicker from a programming standpoint, and cycle times can be quicker, so you're not overcutting the part. So